On that day, Thomas the Train and his friends were trying to defend the Earth from the attack of a giant monster train. Will they succeed?
Tracks destroyed!
Something terrible happened here.
They say it eats trains and cars.
Disgusting and unacceptable.
Did you hear that?
Okay, that's definitely our problem. I thought it was going to eat me! We lure it onto the old mountain tracks. I'll be the bait. Hey, Metal Mouth, catch me! I'm scared, but I can do this! A heroic engine never backs down! Stay together! Now, Thomas! It's working! We actually did it! As long as we stand together, Earth is safe.